everybody. Alright, today we're gonna be docking straight off of the street into what you call a driveway dock with an undercarriage. It's kind of dark back there, but you get the point. Alright, so to get into this dock, I'm gonna go on the oncoming side traffic. As you see, it's completely dead out here due to COVID-19. So you're gonna start cutting your trailer in close to the pole because there's only one way going and one way coming, so you don't have that much space for your cab to swing around and follow the trailer, so you want to keep it tight and close to the curb. As close as possible, because look how close you are to the street, and you got people that put rocks and those kind of things to protect their yards, which is understandable. You basically just gotta ease it on. Ease it on. There we go. Straighten her on up a little bit. Get in the dock. Put it in neutral and pull those emergency brakes. And there you go, folks. So that's what you call sight side docking off of the street. And like I said before, it's pretty simple when it comes with experience and less traffic, because usually you got people coming towards me, you got people whizzing by me, not letting me pass. And especially in New York City, traffic does not play with trucks. They do not care. They will run right underneath your trailer if they could. If it was possible for a car to go underneath your trailer just so he could get to the red light, he would do it. Or she would do it. So that's New York City for you, but you gotta love it. But yeah, so that's all we got for today, folks, and hope you like, subscribe, and comment, and enjoy my videos. So we got a couple more coming up, so let's get right to it. All right, peace, everybody.